Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change video recording settings for FPS, resolution, and length on your Windows 11 PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding with any changes to ensure the settings apply correctly. Once your PC is ready, you'll want to access your system settings. Start by clicking on the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. When the Start menu opens, type in Settings in the search bar and press Enter. This will launch the Windows Settings menu where you can configure various aspects of your system. In the Settings window that appears, look for the Gaming option and click on it. This section contains all the features related to gaming performance, screen recording, and capture settings on your Windows 11 PC. It's where you'll be able to customize how your recordings behave and what quality they produce. Now, on the left-hand side menu within the gaming section, you'll see several options. Click on Captures to access the recording configuration panel. This is the control center for all your video capture settings and gives you full control over how your recordings are saved. Under the Captures menu, you'll first notice a drop-down labeled Record This. This option allows you to adjust the maximum length of your video recording. Click on the drop-down to select how long you want your recordings to be, which is useful if you want to limit file sizes or ensure you capture longer gameplay sessions without interruption. Next, scroll down a bit further and you'll see the FPS options. Here you can choose between 30 FPS or 60 FPS depending on your preference. Higher frame rates like 60 FPS provide smoother video playback, which is ideal for fast-paced content, while 30 FPS offers smaller file sizes and is perfectly suitable for most standard recordings. Right below the FPS setting, you'll find the Video Quality option, which controls your video resolution. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see two choices, Standard and High. Standard resolution is lighter on storage and processing power, while high resolution gives you crisper, more detailed video output. Choose the one that best fits your needs based on your available storage space and the quality you want in your recordings. And that's it. You've now customized your video recording settings on Windows 11, giving you full control over frame rate, resolution, and recording length. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.